Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google Chrome Sync pause error. So in here, I've already opened my Chrome, and here when I click on my account at the top right corner, it says that the sync is paused. So how you can fix this, you can just actually sign in again to your Chrome by clicking on this button. Then you need to fill in the email and also the password of your emails to sign in. You can tap on next, and here okay, I've already signed in, and when I click on my account again in here, now it says sync is on. So if you want to prevent this problem to reoccur, you can also follow this step. You can click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and then go to the Chrome settings. Tap on this privacy and security, scroll down and tap on this site settings. Now scroll down again and click on this drop down on the additional content settings. Scroll down again and choose the on device site data. Now you need to make sure that the settings is this one, allow site to save data on your device. And also in here too, you can also adjust the customized behavior to allow to save data on your device. You need to add the site, so you can just tap on add and add the accounts.google.com. Tap on add. So hopefully when you open the Chrome again, it will automatically save data on this page, account.google.com, or your login information to Google account. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.